Yeah.
Ready? All right, guys. Hi guys, I'm Tom from Leighton Vans Australia, and this is Dan, and we are going to talk through the Transit Custom Trail LVRF, which we are now doing the first ever double cab conversion in Australia. Do you want to talk me through it, Dan?
Sure, why not, Tom? I'm sure they've heard it all before, but hey, we've got some great kit on here, yeah? The front chin and splitter, whilst we're around the front, doesn't look amazing, especially with the yellow C-sections in it. You can paint and colour match. In fact, the UK guys colour matched them to the wheels, which was a very interesting one, which I thought was pretty good.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea.
A bit different.
Not as cool as the yellow C-sections though. They were my idea.
Your idea. Yeah,
they were my
that's
idea.
It. Yeah, absolutely. LED light strip in the front as well. Really cool. It links those DRLs a little bit. That's kind of the front end. I mean, this is all very nicely made and painted and makes a big difference. We'll move around the side in a minute and look at wheels, tyres and suspension. But Tom, if somebody wanted to buy this, how do they buy it?
So if you want to purchase either the LVRF chin and splitter or even the LED grille light strip, you can go, well, first of all, you can either visit us at our headquarters in Burley Heads. One of us will come down and serve you and assist you taking it to your vehicle, no problem at all. You can even come and have it fitted here as well. Or if you wanted it sent down interstate, you can make an order online. Shipping costs are calculated at the checkout, and I will pack it up for you, and it'll be shipped out the same, if not the next day.
Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. In one of those massive cardboard boxes that we've got over there.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've got some pretty big cardboard boxes here.
Yeah. Okay, that reminds me, this one as well, in what we fitted was a GPS tracker. So we've got a new tracker that we've been at the WMR. It is a cellular tracker. There's 2 SIM cards in it. It's about $600 installed by us here. And that includes 3 years of subscription fees to the cellular network. So it doesn't cost you anything other than your 600 install. Great little package. You download the app and you can see where your car is all the time. If someone's driving it live, you can see what speed it's doing or anything. Lovely little add-on, I think, that one. So it's probably going to get a bit tight for the camera around
Come down
here.
Yeah.
But we'll show you the inside.
I'll let you talk them through it, Dan. You were the man that did most of this, to be fair.
Yeah. So bulkhead removed, as you can see. On this one, we're waiting for some trims from Ford. B-pillar trims, some blanks for the backs of the bottoms of the seats. And as the rails go in here, the floor's going to come up 50 mil. So we've got new steps coming in as well. Side skirts are pretty good, aren't they? On this one, I really like them actually, and we've blacked out the trim here on the bottom of the doors because that's normally silver.
Oh, the windows too.
And the windows, yeah. We'd probably do a limo tint on the inside of them, but very inconspicuous as it's actually going to have seats or anything like that in the back. Just all black, yeah, looks great. LVT ones, gloss blacks. Probably the best seller, I'd say. I mean, you can see why. They're a great looking wheel, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And then sound deadening. So the guys in the UK have been using, recently they've gone to see a company called Noise Killers. And they've got full kits made up for these. We will get them over here. For this one, we've done it ourselves. With sound deadening. Whether you can hear this on the camera or not, I'm going to walk right into the lens. Standard door, kind of a bit tinny, a bit rattly, and then when you hit the...
That's a massive difference on that. Huge.
Makes a big difference. There's insulation in the roof, all in the sides. This will all get panelled. The carpeting was really come up really well on this one. Very happy with it. This was actually our first Transit that we've carpeted. Lots of 6.1s and T6s. All the lighting's going to work very well. We've got extra LEDs in there.
What sort of your plans with the ceiling, Dan? Do you have any, obviously this is the first one we've ever done in Australia, do you have anything in mind of what we're going to do here?
Yeah, the trick with this one is the harness, the wiring harness you can see here, runs down the side and it's fixed to the ceiling and to the sidewall, which makes it a bit of a pain. Now, we've got a ceiling coming, or a cutout of a ceiling coming, that I'm hoping is going to sit just a little bit below there and it will mask that harness. If it doesn't, we will probably do what the guys in the UK have done, which is a halo roof. So, did you see that?
Yeah.
We did one on a blue transporter.
Yes.
So that's a bit of small piece of timber and then a larger piece of timber with an LED light inside it.
Yeah.
And it gives that sort of halo effect on the roof.
It is a cool look.
Looks very cool.
It is a very cool look, to be fair.
A bit time consuming and takes a lot longer to get in, so hopefully we'll be all right with just the normal one. But
okay.
We've got this stuff here. This is
what is this? I was looking at this earlier. What is this?
That's all cut out to fit in between the lumps in the floor here.
Oh right, okay.
So it's all measured up to drop into here, so that brings the floor level. And then when we put the foam on top and then the timber on top of that, it keeps everything flat.
Cool.
If you put foam on here, after a while of putting weight on it, it will just sink down and then your rails will stick up.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think overall, when it comes to the standard double cab from factory, I think the only thing that lets the Transit Custom double cab down is the non-removable seats and then that bulkhead, which restricts your load space area. I think once the people of Australia can see how practical this is with the 3 individually removable Tourneo seats, you can have 1, 2, 3 or no seats in the back with this full load length, which is about 1.9 meters. I think people are going to rave about it. It's a lot more practical than the standard double cab, don't you think?
Yeah, it is much. Yeah, absolutely agree. Yeah.
So we're not far off doing this, guys. I think we'll have it wrapped up in the next week or two, Dan. Next week or two, we can have this
just waiting on those trim panels really. The floor and the ceiling probably be done by, well, should be here early next week. And then we just wait for those other trims. So then we'll be able to give you the finished article, give it a wash because it's filthy. And yeah, it's exciting, this one.
Yeah.
I'll obviously take it to engineering. Yeah. But we've been showing them pictures all the way through and engineering is going to be pretty good for this one.
Yeah, excited to see this one finished. Awesome.
So that's this.
One thing that a lot of people don't know about is the tow bar section on the rear diffuser.
Yeah, down here. Yeah, this is a removable piece in here, so you can still use the factory tow bar on this one. A piece that we actually didn't have on the T6.1s, unfortunately, made it a little bit more tricky around here. But this one, because of that, thought of, and yeah, so we can actually put factory tow bars on here now, which is great. So they can still be used as the work van or, you know, weekend trailer on there going. Get rid of the green waste, because we want to be filling this with green waste in here. But.
Yes, exactly that, mate. Exactly that.
Yeah, so that's really good. And then the old tailgate's a good option as well. We'll have lights in here.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Well, there's actually going to be LED spotlights in the tailgate as well.
Yeah. So they'll switch on with just your factory switch here.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, same with these rear load ones.
Yeah.
So there'll be a heap of space. These ones actually face kind of a bit rear, to be honest, and do come out of the van. So.
Yeah, I can see that. I didn't know that actually. That is a lot more practical for people who are trying to load things in and out in the night. Even surfers and stuff like that. If they're going for a late night surf and it gets dark, they're trying to get changed.
Bit sharky for a late night surf.
Bit sharky. This is the Gold Coast, mate.
It's the Gold Coast.
They're bonkers up here. But yeah, it'll definitely light up things. It'll make it a lot more practical for them. So.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, looking forward to this one going. We got the PHEV.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go.
Are we going to carry on with the PHEV? Yeah, why not? This one, drove this the other day, and yeah, very impressed. You might have seen Adam's videos that the UK guys have been doing. The PHEVs are the most popular vehicles over there. Very impressed with the power. I mean, it depends, I guess, on everyday kilometers, what you're doing. I probably do about 9-10 Ks a day, but I think, what's the range on this? 50?
50k, 50k for electric, yeah.
50. So if you're doing less than 50, you will just run it on electric all the time. Charge it overnight, run it the next time. Come on, Tom. And then, yeah, if you need that extra range, you just put your foot down and away it goes. It's amazing. Like, the power's great.
Yeah.
The range is just, 2.4 petrol, I believe.
Yeah, it goes off the mark.
Yeah, it
That's
does.
for sure.
Yeah.
It really does.
And this is the short wheelbase Sport. There's a 3-seater, same bench as what's in the Trail, and just standard panel van in the rear. But yeah, it drives very well. So this one's just having suspension. So we go wheel suspension, full LBRF kit on this one as well. This one,
I think we are going to remove all the decals as well on this one.
yes.
To give it just that solid look, which
Yeah.
you've seen from the Akin Moto van, which we took to the
That's
GC500.
right.
It's very, very popular, that van, had a lot of traction. So we're going to do the same on this, as well as the wheel arch trims, the side door protection.
Maybe a roof light pod too?
Maybe a roof light pod.
One had one, it was good,
Yeah, we'll see, we'll see.
Yeah.
But yeah, looking forward to getting this one done. I think this is going to be hitting Australia as well. The fair.
I think it will. I think you've got the city with the electric, and then you could still, drive to Sydney if you needed.
Exactly.
And also got the new T7 coming very shortly as well. So hopefully we'll be able to give you some information on that. And we've got the LBS here, arrived this week. So as you know, everything from here back is the same, but it's all this front end which is different. So we'll do some work on getting the LBS fitted to a T7, and we'll bring you all of that as well.
Exciting times coming. Big things coming to Leighton Vans Australia. Big things.
Yeah.
And this is up for sale, and how does someone get in contact about getting, buying this? What's the process?
Just give us a call on our direct line 0483 980 319, or you can email me tom@leightonvans.com.au. It is being advertised on car sales, Easy Cars.
It will be, yep. It's on our website as well.
Yes.
Yeah, leightonvans.com.au.
Yeah, so just get in touch. Got any questions, let us know. We've got example photos on there of what it's going to look like once completed. I'm sure most of you who have been following us have a good idea of what it's going to be looking like when it's finished anyway. But yeah, we're looking forward to getting this one done.
Trail's also for sale, but we've got quite a lot of strong leads on that one. So if you are interested, definitely
get a
reach
move
out.
on with that one.
Yeah.
We haven't even confirmed the price on that yet because of the double cab conversion. We're not exactly sure, and we've still got quite a lot of solid
But watch this space
interest.
and we'll let you know.
Yes, let us know.
All right, how's everything's? That's pretty much vehicles, isn't it, for us at the moment?
Yeah, that's pretty much vehicles. We're still available. As you can see, we've got the hoist here. If you want to come in for upgrades, obviously we specialise in the VW Transporter, the Transit Custom, the Ford Ranger, the VW Amarok. We've even done work on Everest, on Raptors as well. We've got all types of exterior body kits available, leather interiors, suspension, wheels, the lot. So if you're interested, let us know, give us a call, send us an email, whatever you want to do, and we'll get you booked in.
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks, guys.